The next question we have here is a grammar question, a sentence correction question. We should always try and do grammar or sentence correction questions through elimination of options. Let's look at statement A given here. This says, this was crucial since the government is trying to revive economy growth. Now, economic growth is not the right usage. This should be either government is trying to revive the economy, or it should be government is trying to revive economic growth. Now, since statement A is incorrect, we can eliminate options B and D. Now, we are left with options A and C. Both of them have option A, and they also have options C and D. So I need to check only C and D. I don't need to check B. Statement C says, in spite of the revised national income data that has indicated faster growth, no error exists on this line. The next line says, industry exports and so on had shown tepid growth in recent years. Now, if you look at the entire thing, it is in present perfect because it says national income data has indicated faster growth. So it should also be has shown tapered growth in recent years and not had. So statement D is also incorrect. Our answer becomes A and D. Some of you might also think that in spite of as written in statement B is incorrect because most usually you see it written as INSPITA without any space, but the usage as written here in statement B is also perfectly correct. So statement B really has no error. The correct answer will become A and D. Next question is a word usage question. This is a mix of vocabulary and grammar where you need to check both for grammatical errors as well as for vocabulary usage of the given word in the question. Let's look at statement, the first option. It says the sudden withdrawal of the guest speaker really threw a monkey wrench in the works. Throwing a monkey wrench in the works means that doing something that prevents a plan or a process from succeeding. So the statement really means that the sudden withdrawal of the guest speaker created problems with the set plan, and this is correct. Statement B says, as Jim wasn't left with any money, he had no option but to work through his debt. Now, working through something means resolving it or, bringing it to completion or action. Now, this does not fit with the idea of having left with no money and of paying off debt. If we want to say pay off debt, then we need to say work off his debt. So the correct statement here should become, as Jim wasn't left with any money, he had no option but to work off his debt. And hence option B will become the correct answer for this question because it has an error. Question number option C says, the lady did some investigation to find out how she could work on her employer to elicit more information. Now, work on has two meanings. Work on can be to repair. It can also mean as in work on the magic. For example, if I say she worked on the crowd and gained their approval. So this is similar to the usage as given in statement C, and statement C is also correct. Statement D says the team really worked the opponent over in the final game of tournament. When we work something over, we mean to say that we dominate. So here it really means is that the team dominated the opponent in the game of tournament, in the final game of the tournament, and hence the correct answer for this question becomes option B.